Little Cardi came to me in the summer of 2018. I'm a foster for my local animal shelter and received a call late one night about a single kitten that had been found in a basement window well. After monitoring for a while, it was determined that something must have happened to the mother, as she had been gone too long without returning to feed or move the baby. When I arrived to pick her up, she was wrapped in a red dish towel and tucked in a tiny cardboard box. She was fragile and dehydrated, and I wasn't sure she would make it through the night. I kept her close to me for 24 hours a day and syringe fed her every 2 hours. Bit by bit, she got stronger. I continued carrying her around in that tiny cardboard box for the first few days. I hadn't yet come up with a name for her, but my mom, being amused by the makeshift bassinet, started calling her Cardi Box. So yes, our Cardi is named after cardboard and not the musician. Over the next several weeks, she graduated to a bigger bed and a bottle, opened her eyes, and stole our hearts. I had 7 other foster kittens at the time, all of which graciously assisted me with bathing, playing, and snuggling with her. We had no intention of adopting Cardi. We planned to only be her temporary, loving home until she was ready to go back to the shelter for adoption. However, as usual, life often has other plans. 2018 was a rough year for our family, full of loss. Cardi gave us something precious to focus on and helped heal our broken hearts. There's a term amongst animal shelter foster families known as foster failing, when the animal that is only supposed to be with you for a short amount of time turns into forever. Well, we finally realized that we were destined to foster fail and that Cardi already had her forever home. She's an excellent snuggler and invader of personal space. She'll spend hours with me in the art studio, either sleeping on my desk or playing with paintbrushes. There's no chance that Cardi is fitting in many boxes anymore, but she's happy to take up residence in any laundry basket or drawer of clean clothes. She growls at doorbells, sneezes in tornado sirens, but is delighted by unusual napping locations. She'll even tolerate bunny ears for an Easter photo op. Merry Christmas from Cardi and our family to yours.